welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to train a chat-based AI chatbot on your website. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to train a chat-based AI chatbot on your website, then all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Chatbase. Once you open your Chatbase, you need to simply get signed up into your account. Now you need to provide your website's URL to the website training option. Now Chatbase will automatically crawl to the site, and after training, you can simply customize its tone and instruction and then embed it in your website. So you need to set up and train your chatbot. Now you can simply customize and test your chatbot as well by customization settings like playground. You can adjust the tone, set instruction, and test responses. You can then embed the chat box on your website. So this is how you can simply train your chat-based AI chatbot on your website. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.